Alright, y'all, I'm in Tractor Supply in Beckley, and I'm going to show you guys where I get that fish bait. They should have it. They usually always have it. There's one, it ain't the same brand as what the Walmart's got, but it's the same thing. $15, 50-pound bag. So I'm gonna get one of those. It's the same thing, y'all. Right here's smaller bags of it if you don't want to buy 50 pounds or whatever, but I suggest you get a 50-pound bag. All this stuff here is you can use all this stuff, guys. Every bit of it. All this stuff you can use for pack bait. You can make pack bait out of anything. This is good to put in it. All that stuff. See here? It's pure protein. All this stuff. Anything in this store, as far as the feed goes. Let's see, there's the crumbles right there. See, there's all different kinds of it, guys. All of it makes great bait. Sweet feed, all that stuff, you know. All this, you can use it all, every bit of it. They got some kind of fish food in here too. See here, all of it, you can use it all. You get creative with it, you never know what you come up with till you try. Corn, all this stuff. You can use every bit of it, guys. Sweet feed right there. Great bait, every bit of it. Sweet mix, all of it's awesome bait. That fish food, it's in here somewhere. Bird seed, all this stuff, guys. See here, it's a lot more pricey than the other stuff, but that fish food's in here somewhere. See, there's some more. It's already got all that stuff in it mixed. It's $13. Here's some more. Right here's what I'm gonna get. It's $13.99, 50-pound bag. I'm gonna get that right there. And here's that fish food. Right here, guys. Same thing they feed them where they raise them at in the hatcheries. Same thing. Correction, it's $13 for 35 pounds. That's what I'm gonna get. Like I said, guys, you can use any of this stuff. Any of it. Every bit of it. You can catch fish with all this stuff, guys. Everything here. I think I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get this 50-pound bag instead. Tractor Supply in Beckley, guys. It's got all this stuff. Just get creative and use your imagination.